If I had to start an online business today with no skills, no money, just AI tools, here's exactly what I would do. What's the fastest way to make money online? First, I'd pick a niche I understand, like productivity, finance, or health. The goal is to create value-packed digital products that people are already searching for. For example, if you're in the productivity niche, you could create a course on how to get things done, right? Or if you're in the finance niche, you could create a course on how to make money in the stock market. And if you're in the health niche, you could create a course on how to lose weight and get healthy. The easiest way to do this is by creating a YouTube channel where you provide value to people completely for free. Share your skills, teach people something new, and help them solve their problems. This builds trust and establishes you as an authority in your field. Over time, you'll start to build an audience and people will start to see you as a trusted advisor. When that happens, they're more likely to buy your digital products. So what are you waiting for? Start providing value to people today and you'll be on your way to making money online in no time. First, I'd use it to generate ideas for products that I could sell. Then I'd use it to help me write those products. So, for example, if I wanted to write an ebook on how to build a website, I could just ask ChatGPT to generate a chapter outline for me. And boom, there you have it. ChatGPT spitting out chapter titles and outlines for my ebook. This is so much easier than trying to come up with all of this stuff myself. And the best part is that I can use this to generate leads for my agency as well. So if I wanted to get into copywriting, I could use ChatGPT to help me write sales pages for clients. And the best part is that all you need is an idea. Or if I wanted to start a digital marketing agency, I could use it to help me create proposals and pitch decks. So yeah, ChatGPT is a tool that every entrepreneur should be using to help them scale their business faster. So I've been writing and publishing books for the past 3 years. And this is my favorite part of the process. First, I use an app to come up with a really catchy title. Then I'd head to Canva to turn the content into beautiful books, PDFs, or social graphics. And the best part is you don't need any design skills to do this. Canva has tons of templates for you to choose from, whether you're creating an ebook, a PDF, or social media graphics. Once you've chosen your template, it's just a matter of adding your content and then downloading it as a PDF. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can also download it as a link and put it on your website. This is by far the easiest way to create professional-looking content without having to hire someone to do it for you. So if you're ready to start creating your own books and PDFs, then click the link in the description to sign up for a free trial. If you're thinking about selling your art online, I have the perfect platform for you. It's called Gumroad. It's free to use and super easy to set up. So sign up for a free account today and start selling your art online. I just think Gumroad is a great platform for artists to sell their work. It's free, it's easy to use, and it's a great way to make money from your art. So sign up today and start selling your art online. You can upload your art, set your price, and Gumroad will take care of the rest. They'll handle the payments and you don't have to worry about delivering the files yourself. You can download the Gumroad app on your phone and start selling your art in minutes. And the best part is you can list your art for free. There's no fees or commissions. Gumroad only makes money when you make money. I'm also gonna leave some links below to help you get started. I'm not selling anything. This is how to make money with AI in 60 seconds. You don't need a team, you don't need a huge budget, and you don't need coding skills. You just need the right AI tools and a little bit of action. Here's one example. Hit like if you'd try this and subscribe for more AI-powered money ideas. This is NextMind, tech that thinks ahead.